morning, everybody. I am here to tell you about my business idea and model. So my business idea was to sell bracelets. And my business model is I was just gonna do it through Instagram, like online. I'd contact and market people through Instagram and then sell them bracelets. So I had this idea a while ago. My dad kind of did the same thing. Like he actually had a business where he would sell bracelets, but then just things didn't work out when he had to shut it down. Um, so this is what the bracelets look like. So they're really, really cool bracelets. Um, we had this old Instagram page where that my dad used to use, and then he stopped using it. So then I started using it. Yeah, so we had 13,000 followers. These are some of the posts we did before. These are some of the posts I did. So I don't know why this isn't showing up, but I did this one and this one. What would make my product unique? I think just A, they're really, really cool, and B, nobody around here, there's none, there's no one that sells bracelets like this, nobody. The my competition would be Walmart, but Walmart doesn't even sell these particular bracelets. They sell other trinkets and stuff. So yeah, I don't know. I feel like that's one of the things that makes it really unique is no one else is selling them. It was successful. I found that when I would DM people individually, I would have a lot higher success rate. What would I do differently? I would see if I could market better and make, I don't know, more time marketing. Yeah. So profit losses to this point. So to this point, I have $110 profit or something. I made 130, but then I had to buy the bracelets off my mom. So I sold 10 bracelets a week. So if we're using that as a basis, that's $400 a month, $4,800 a year. So that's pretty good. This is me. This is my projection of growth. I'm the red one, and my competition is the blue one. How would my investors benefit? I think the main thing would be just because no one else around, in this area is selling those this type of bracelet. That would be the most unique thing. But they'd get bracelets too, because they have to advertise and stuff. But I feel that would be the best benefit would be just because there's nobody else here. What would I do with my business if I had more time? If I had more time, I would market better and then try. So I mainly just marketed on Instagram. That's all I did. So I'd try on Facebook, and then I might even do I don't know, Kijiji or Twitter. Yeah, so that's what I'd do if I had more time.